Hi there.
Hi. How can I help?
I have a Trane Tam7. When I tried to replace the thermostat, I didn't switch off the power and I think I blew some fuse in the unit.
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
Because the red wire doesn't have any power anymore.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I have been banging my head against this issue for a couple of days and I'm ready to call a technician, because the house is getting really cold.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I have tried putting the old thermostat back and that didn't help. So, it's definitely outside of the thermostat at this point.
Open the air handler and see if there is a control board inside with a small 3 or 5 amp car fuse. https://i.imgur.com/uxppnn4.png https://i.imgur.com/ku4ips.png See if it is blown. If not, we can go from here. You may be presented an offer for a phone call for an additional fee. Please ignore offer for phone call as I am unable to take a call right now, but we can work here as long as needed. The offer is automatically site generated.
How do I know if it's blown?
Remove it from board and hold up to a light. There is a small wire between the two metal prongs. If blown, the wire will be broken and usually black dot lie in the second picture I sent.
Got it. If it's blown, where can I buy a replacement? Home Depot.
Yes, any hardware store or auto parts store. https://www.audazone.com/electrical and lighting/fuse/busman fuse/32352_0 https://www.audazone.com/electrical and lighting/fuse/busman fuse/32354_349106_0 Just make sure to use whichever is currently there, 3 amp or 5 amp.
Perfect. Time to look at the HVAC. Be right back.
Take your time. Let me know if you have further questions. Thanks for allowing me to work with you. Bonus always appreciated, as this is how I earn my living. After rating, feel free to follow up for next 30 days at no additional fee. Thanks again.
This is what I have on the board. I can't recognize the fuse.
Locate the transformer. Then follow the red wire going to board. Fuse will be in line between transformer and board on this one.
What does the transformer look like?
See below. If you can take a pic standing back about 3 feet from I will try to point it out. https://i.imgur.com/kzlqv4s.jpg https://i.imgur.com/nlhr9vo.jpg
They have really tried hiding it. Maybe I need to open other panels.
Yep. Looking at the wiring diagram, it appears it is going to be in the blower section.
Okay.
Let me know you find it.
Found it. Here. Does it look bad?
Yepers. See the dark spot? You should use a solid wire instead.
Great. Going to the shop.
Let me know this solves.
Will do.
Standing by.
Soy, I had to stop by at work. Going back to the house now. Sorry.
No problem.
Bingo. Problem fixed. Thank you so much. And number 55357 semicolon and number 56399 semicolon and number 55357 semicolon and number 56911.
Let me know if you have further questions. Thanks for allowing me to work with you. Bonus always appreciated, as this is how I earn my living. After rating, feel free to follow up for next 30 days at no additional fee. Thanks again.
Thank you. You were amazing.
Thanks for letting me help. Bonus always appreciated if you feel justified, as this is how I earn my living. After rating, feel free to follow up for next 30 days at no additional fee. Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.